Hello notionbees. In this video, we are going to learn how to create to-do list in Notion. You can create to-do list or checklist many ways in Notion. The first method is by using slash command. If you see in the screen, when you are in the typing mode, you can see the command press slash for commands. So this is the straightforward way where when you press the slash command, you can type to do, then it will pop up to-do list. Press enter, that will create a to-do list item. So to add a progressive to-do list, press enter at the end of the sentence. How? This is a to-do list item, right? When you are done with the to-do list, press enter. It will create another to-do list right after the first sentence. This is the first method. The second method is by using a shortcut key. What is a shortcut key? You have to press open bracket, square bracket and close square bracket without leaving any space in the starting, and press space. So it will automatically create a to-do list on its own. So this is using a shortcut method. Now you can use to-do list different ways. You can use it as a simple list just by typing, oh, this is item 1, and you can use it as a nested list. For example, this is a nested item. So to do it as a nested list, all you have to press is a tab in your keyboard. It will go under the parent element, that is this is an item 1. So when you select this, you can see this entire block is one block. So if you want to remove this item, you can drag outside this. When you see the underlined blue color, then it will be out of the nested. If you want to put it under the first item, you just have to drag and pull it right next to the sentence, not under the box but next to the sentence. It will be used as a nested item, right? And you can use it as a multi-line nested list. How? So you can say this is a multi-line nested item, right? Now you press tab. Now it will become a nested item under the nested item. So you can continue this chain on and on. The nested item is, or you can do it n number of times, right? Next, you can check and uncheck the to-do list as you want. So you can use it as, okay, like a check and uncheck is independent to the block which is in, right? And let's go next towards utility items, right? So what are the utility items you can do when you are in a to-do list, right? So for example, this is a to-do list. What you can do with it is, right, Notion to-do list is not a simple text statement. You can do many rich text modification to the text, like change the color of the text. For example, let's make it red, right? Next, you can change the background of the entire text. You can click on this 6 dots over here and go to color and change the color over here, right? Now this entire background became the entire, background of this entire block is blue. Then underline the block by just click, or you can just say underline it under, select this, and when you select, you will have a pop over dialog where you can press underline, or you can use a shortcut. When you hover over this buttons, you will see Ctrl B for bold, Ctrl I for italicize, Ctrl U for underline, Ctrl Shift X or Ctrl Shift S for strike through. This is not the same for a Mac user. It is a command and replace the command with the, like whatever, wherever you see a control, you have to replace it with the command. And you can check it out when you are using your Mac desktop. Now you can also use underline, select this, and you can link it to an external link. For example, let's do it as www.google.com. right now, whenever you click this, whenever you hover over this, you will see it's just linking to google.com. Now you can underline this and you can italicize this, and now you can underline each of this and you can make it as a bold. Or if you have a mathematical symbol, for example, I have, like, you can say E is equal to mc square, right? So you need to make it as a mathematical symbol. Select it and you can go it as equation. Now how do we make it as E is equal to mc square? While typing E is equal to m c, and you have a upper bracket and square. So this is how it is done. Right now there is other way also. So you can, for this you have to refer to KTeX mathematical function that will identify you what is how to deal with mathematical functions. So next is, I think that's about to-do list.